Come January, it always feels like the right time for a refresh, even in way of decor. It's so easy to bring new things into our home, to think that that one thing is going to make everything better. It will make everything run smoother. But are we stewarding what we already have well? Are you overwhelmed with your home? Do you feel like you just can't get to all of the spaces within your home to clean them, to take care of the things that you already have? Today I want to encourage you to really consider that. Really consider what you already own, what you have, and how you are caring for it, how you are stewarding what you have. There are so many things that we want to bring into our lives because we think that that will be the answer. That will make everything better. It will make our life run smoother. But the truth is, if we can't take care of what we already have, then requesting more, praying for more, getting more, none of it will help. If you're faithful in a little, you will be faithful in much. It's something that I'm thinking about today. Yes, I did bring in some new pieces into my home, but you know what else I did? I just came from the other house that we have that is now listed for sale. And I came home with so much stuff that I've been avoiding, that I haven't wanted to go through because, quite frankly, it really isn't stuff that we really need. And yet, I've brought in more stuff. But I gave myself some time to really reflect on this and to think about what I need to do moving forward. So it is good to have a refresh of our house, but it's also really good to stop and consider what we're doing with what we already have and how we're utilizing our time. And if there are things that we need to care for, are we setting aside the time necessary to do that? And everything that we have requires something of us. So when we think about that, it should make it a lot easier for us to make the necessary decisions to get rid of the things that aren't serving us anymore or that we no longer want to serve. And one of the things that I like to do when I'm taking down all of the decorations that I had up for Christmas is to also bring back a little bit more life into the space. I know that when I brought in like the garland on the banister here, I took away all of the greenery that I had. I just kind of felt like it was competing with that, and it looked a little out of place. And so I had that in my bathroom area, and now bringing that back out here, it just feels like it fills that space a little better. And then I also wanted to really focus on the front door and the entryway. So doing a little bit of a clean of these spaces kind of just makes you appreciate them that much more, and making sure that you are stewarding them well. And things that I wouldn't typically do all the time, like even just wiping the door down. The glass, even though it's frosted here, it really had some fingerprints on it. In certain lights, I could really see the dust. And so just taking time to clean that up just gave me a new appreciation for my front door, I would say. But especially finding some command hooks that I could now hang some beautiful wreaths on. So this whole time since we've moved here, I haven't put any wreaths on the front door, and I didn't even put a wreath on the front door at the old house. And I kind of regret that, just because it always felt a little sad whenever someone would come to the front door or I would just look at the house from the outside, and really adding a wreath to the front door just brings a little bit of life to that space and makes it feel so much more welcoming. So I found a couple of command hooks, and they were gold. I found those at Target along with these two beautiful wreaths, and they have this beautiful line available right now within the home decor section, and so much of it spoke to me, and I got some pieces to decorate the shelves next to our fireplace area. But today I just really wanted to focus on this entryway and making that nice and welcoming. So I also focused on this entryway table. It needed to, be dusted, and of course the floors needed a nice vacuuming as well, so I made sure to do that. But just dusting this and then bringing in a beautiful candle that I found at HomeGoods, that too has made a really just a nice addition to this table, this entryway table. And always just having a bit of greenery there, I think, is always a plus. I was thinking of adding some flowers to this right here, or bringing in another vase, but I decided to go against that and just leaving the greenery there and bringing the flowers into the dining room area. I think that that is just a much better addition, and this is more of just, universally, it looks nice, it looks pleasant, and I can focus more on the flowers in that area. There's something to me about having too many flowers in different areas that I can see all at once that I just feel it competes with one another. And so for myself, I just like to have maybe one or two areas that I would focus on flowers. And so I decided not to go with flowers in this space today. But anyway, just doing these little things is a great way to refresh this space in the home, and then it leads to more things that I would like to refresh and to feel good in the space. So that's something that I hope this video inspires you with today. And if there's something that you are doing to kind of refresh your space, please let me know that in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.